How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well wherever you are. Today I have brought you very healthy, very quick recipe. It will help you when you have sugar cravings and you can eat it without any guilt. Before moving on to the recipe, I will like you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. So, what are we are cooking today? Today we will be making banana oat cookies. Banana oat cookies means banana and oats, two ingredients. You don't need any more ingredient. If you want, you can definitely add. But basically, this recipe is made of only two ingredients and it is super quick to make. So let's do it. So I have taken two big ripe bananas and I have mashed them already. And there are 1 cup oats. That's it. Oats are super healthy. They're the healthiest grain. They're gluten free. They're full of antioxidants, full of vitamins and minerals. Oats help in also losing weight. They reduce the blood sugar levels and they also reduce the risk of heart diseases. So they're very healthy and actually they're also very cheap. They're very at lower prices. They are available in the market. So include them in your regular diet. Bananas, as we all know, are full of energy. They help in gaining muscles. And if you are feeling anxiety, eat banana. It will really help you in improving your mood. And in addition to that, I will be mixing actually oats with bananas. And if you want, you can also eat raisins. Raisins are also very good for your blood sugar levels and they are also helping gaining weight. So if your children or if you yourself are struggling to gain weight, then add raisins to your diet. They also help in digestion a lot. They are very good in constipation, solving constipation problems. So I also always used to give my kids this raisins whenever they had this constipation problems. But if you want to lose weight, so instead of adding raisins, you can add cranberries to it. Cranberries are very good in urinary tract these diseases. They are widely used for that and they actually promote weight loss. Cranberry juice is also very famous for losing weight, but we will be using these cranberries if you want that. But kids normally like the taste of raisins, and you can also add dark chocolate chips or milk chocolate chips if you want to add in this. Rest of the ingredients are all really depend on your choice. You can add nuts, you can add coconut. I will also be adding a pinch of cinnamon to it. It is just according to my taste, the way I like it. So a little bit of cinnamon, a pinch, and 1 cup of oats. That's it. I won't be adding cranberries or raisins at this stage. When we will make the cookies, then we can decorate our these cookies with these raisins or cranberries. But you can also add chia seeds to it. Basic this recipe is for 2 ingredients, but you can make it as many ingredients as you want according to your taste. Whenever I have sugar cravings, I eat them. They are very filling also. If you're hungry, just eat these cookies and you can eat them as much as you want. They will not be any junk food or any sugar binge eating. They are all natural sugars and natural carbohydrates. So very good for your health. So this is a consistency which we want so that they get bind very easily. So prep time is also very less. You just have to mash banana. That is how much time it takes. Rest you can just make small cookies or big cookies as you want it. Sometimes I also add desiccated coconut to it. It also tastes very good. It is a perfect for your lunch snack, like if you want to give it in your kids' lunch boxes. Soon lockdown will be over and you will have to pack lunch boxes again. So do let me know if you want some lunch box recipes, the kid recipes which I give to my children. So I'm also showing you how if you add desiccated coconut to it. Adding more ingredients can increase the calorie content, but if you add healthy ingredients, they will be also very healthy for your body. You can also add almond powder or any nuts you want. So rest of the cookies I will roll this way. So on this baking tray, I have put all the cookies. If you don't have an oven, I will be baking them actually in oven. But if you don't have an oven, you can also make it in a pan or use this on a normal gas. You can just, roast them on the oven on both sides, on the pan, sorry, on both sides. But here I have oven. So I will be pressing my raisins in this like this. You have to little bit press so that they don't fall. You can decorate the way you want. You can add any nuts actually, chocolate chips, the way you want or your kids would like. You can also add cranberries. Cranberries have a little bit sour taste, but they're very, very healthy, and they're actually a little bit sweetened. They are dry cranberries with a little bit of sugar on them. So you can put as much as you want, but just don't forget to press it a little bit so that they don't fall when you bake them. So I have put the oven on 180 degrees Celsius. You can say 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will be baking them for 15 minutes. You don't have to preheat the oven for this recipe. You can just do it immediately. And for 15 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit as we say it, and on both upper and lower grills you will bake them. So after around 12 minutes I have taken them out. It depends on your oven capacity. So in my oven it took around 12 to 13 minutes. Normally it takes 12 to 15 minutes to bake. So they are the bananas only with oats and banana cookies, and they are with coconut powder as also in it. That is why they are a bit white. So don't wonder, but they are very healthy, very yummy. Whenever you have sugar cravings, you can eat them as many as you want. And these are also perfect for your lunch box, kids' lunch box, your lunch box, and you can eat them even at night. They are guilt-free snack. Do try them and let me know if you like them. So if you like my today's healthy recipe, please hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Please write to me in the comment box what type of other recipes you want to watch, or what type of other vlogs you want to watch. If you want to know anything about Germany, please let me know. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.